In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install WordPress on your hosting server as a complete beginner. If you have never installed WordPress on your hosting server before, this is the best video you would want to watch. By the way, if you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. And I also help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. So if these are things you vibe for, consider subscribing to my channel. To install WordPress on your hosting server, there are two ways to do that. It's either you go through your cPanel or you go through your hosting account. So in this video, I'm going to go through my hosting account. On this channel, I've made a video on how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap. So I'll be using my Namecheap account. You can watch that video, and I'll also link that video in the description of this video. So you can pause and watch that particular one before you go ahead to watch this as a complete beginner. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Namecheap hosting account. Just click on your hosting account. You will see your domain. Next thing you have to do is just to click here, go to cPanel. We are going through our hosting account where we will install WordPress as a complete beginner. As a beginner, you have no business with all of these things here, but with time I will teach you what these things do here. What you have to do is just to take note of few things. The major thing is to locate Softaculous app installer. This is the app that your hosting has provided for you to install WordPress automatically without downloading the WordPress software yourself. The next thing you have to do is to click on it, and we'll go ahead to install WordPress. I will click on Softaculous app installer. You can see that you can actually install Joomla. You can install all other website builders on your hosting account, as you can see, but for here we'll be working with WordPress. So I will click on install. So as soon as you get to this point, this is where we are going to do the installation right away. You can see that you have this piece. You're going to click on the drop down, select HTTPS, make sure it is having X, that means it is secure. You will click on this drop down, select the domain you're installing WordPress on. I have a lot of domains here, but I'm going to use this particular domain. I'm going to install WordPress on this particular domain. Then this is WordPress latest versions. Just leave it on the latest version. Don't install anything here. If you install something here, that means you are installing WordPress on a different directory. In my future videos, I'm going to show you how to create multiple WordPress websites, without purchasing extra hosting accounts. What you have to do is just come here, install WordPress on different directory. You can have 100 websites on a single hosting and on a single domain using subdirectory like this. You can create a subdirectory, install different websites on it. I will teach you, but for now just keep it and leave it empty. Where you have business is to come here. Let me say the name of my store is Diva Store. But the most important thing is that even if you don't enter these things here, you can also enter it directly on WordPress. When we install WordPress, you have options to leave it or to fill it. Let's say best store that sells quality, the best store that sells quality wares. This is where you have to choose your username. Please make sure you choose something that hackers cannot easily remember. So just choose something. This is just a basic store. Then as soon as you do that, so you're going to choose a strong password. Please make sure you choose a strong password here. Enter their password. I'm going to hide this. Click on hide. I'm going to wipe this up and get a password for it. I'm going to do that right away. I'm going to copy my password here and then enter it here. As you can see, it shows a strong password. The thing you have to do is just scroll down, click on install. I'm going to install it right away. As you can see, it is submitting the data. Let's wait for it to install. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. If you look at here now, you see that WordPress has been successfully installed at etamole.store. And then this is administrative URL is simply the URL you will use to log in. Let me open this in a new tab. Can you see this is how your website looks like? It looks scattered. There is nothing built on it yet. Let's see how your login URL looks like. I'm going to go back to admin dashboard. Okay, we have already logged in into WordPress. This is how WordPress interface looks like. All right, this is how it looks like. As you can see, in my next video I'm going to walk you through the entire WordPress interface for you to master how WordPress works and what you need to do and how to start building your website instantly without wasting time. Let me quickly open that our login URL. You can just come here. If you want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, the next thing you have to do is just put /faithomole.wp admin. Still taking us back to our dashboard. Can you see this is how our dashboard looks like? So I'm going to log out and show you how to log in. When you type faithomole.store/wp-admin, this is where it will bring you to. You enter your username. Please, that username you chose earlier, that is what you enter here, and the password you chose earlier too, just enter it here and you are good to go. Let's log in. Can you see that I've been able to log in? So you can save your details here. Can you see we've been able to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard? Welcome to WordPress admin dashboard. In my next video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to do here. Just follow me step by step. As a beginner, you are going to master WordPress on this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and comment. If you have any question regarding WordPress, please feel free to ask in the comment section and I will be there to answer you. And I'll also do a detailed video guiding you on how to build a professional website with WordPress content management system. See you in my next video.